What's going on? Manyangatsi the. So if I was a subscriber and you feel like doing so, just do so. And if you don't feel like doing so, continue watching the video. It's not compulsory to subscribe. The most important thing is the view in a way. Senamutala nina mvakachi eka channel ya mina. I have a guest, Marhoya Chauke. Chauke liya mingoi filter weshe, but Marhoya Chauke. So mininga hembo iman kahle iman
Marhoya I royal nyiko Chauke mfana wale kaka chikadro days.
So loko nomramba ka interview loko soswana angona kumthola mfamba receptionist nifukani ku iman Marhoya mi HR imfomo iman Manyangatsi nifukani ku Manyangatsi insokubhaloi o makamlamula that's how guys they share. Would you hire me
and pelelane what you say go Marhoya inkambi and masiko arka music eshibisha katara eshibisha Ndhuma improduce music wesong so ni try ku limit ku ningathi kare ku hlamseta Marhoya this Marhoya that senta tena ke wathi vantsama ni vona ntsama malembe ndhaku pesa vona namba movha ndifamba yona ona kutaleha se la ku nkarhi ku Marhoya Chauke xibisha Ndhuma i xitlangi xa katara
ngami possibly antanga maybe monyoma xe
no not tingana
so me senior music wesong
yes yeah
loko mi langutisa tsundzukani as much as you can na swi ku ti center music wesong na ku ti cinca mavito mfumo ku mina Joe Sherman sini ku Joe Sherman na vana Vandawu no ku Tim Sherman mara khani sto album leta hinkwato na endlela mina and must have interested there swi nga gina swi fika kona pero ni swi nga endla swi nga fiki so Marhoya Chauke beside swibisha Ndhuma yini ta yena a ri Marhoya Chauke the album o tinsimu first to look leti nga ta yena itingani
hi ku ta va nga ri no humesa album number 14
nga hlayi malembe
no album number 14 normally every year no humesa 10 wa tinsimu so swi vula ku ri na 146 songs
so as Marhoya la ndleleni amzange mi va na vito rin'wana
a ni tshama ni cinca vito ni sungula ri Marhoya Chauke
mi tirhisa Marhoya Chauke so making all these albums ta
140
the 14 albums, bro.
Yes.
No, not songs.
140 songs.
Exactly.
I'm just making you like this to understand. To get to 14, you must have done more than 100 songs.
So got in simulate one that album the one that 14. What was the inspiration? I'm talking about mascota, kumbe mastok mascota. Nzama kubutsa style go what was your motivation? What drove you to the first time? Mingena studio moko yana that same akuri pressure yo maybe ala kaya aro days by the time no umsungula for the chair for je go mentlambi mina no ngiyachina nyana ro days okay yeah is akuri timagata tako you wanted fame akuri timagato maybe ashimit and then you have the talent akuri timagato you've been playing music cause I'm just giving you examples of answers which you can bring in, which I'm used to.
Okay.
So what drove you there?
Leswi ni nga xi vulaka xo sungula ku ri ku loko talenta yi ri kona talenta yi ri kona u nge yi doji i nchumu lowu hambiloko u lava ku zama ku wu doja u nge wu tsutsumi u ta tshama u ri kona. It's like it will haunt you for the rest of your life. You know what, there's something that I ought to do. In 2006, the first album, the whole aim was not for me to have an album as a musician. I always thought that I wanted to be behind the scene, like we could push some other people. But I realized, you know what, this one, planning an ion, it will not work. It's like ulaga coach your ball with some more coach. They are nowhere to be found. That's where I say, you know what, but I can do this myself. Why do I want to mentor somebody who's not willing to be mentored? Ananga labi ngofu kuba nkaba na utaka tara like from the back.
Oh, some mfana na mina ningo mina I believe lava still I believe that I'm potentially a very good coach ball international. Not even international, but it's like I believe if mina won PSG I would kill it. But then mina na still go I won nikata kufamba tlanga ngischool. But anyways the example is not related to that. So my next question is, you've worked with so many people in the game. You have worked with estimation yangwen yet in Tambeleti, not in Tambi, Kurvach High Kuru, whosoever you have worked with from 2006 to now. I believe that it has been like 16 or 17 years of you doing this. How many people do you think you've worked with? You've gotten into studio and say, Chaya, how many people? Just estimate. I want an estimation of a number.
Let me say more than 20.
More than 20.
We're estimating here.
So in that 20, who are your top 5? Don't answer this question based on the current situation. Based on yourself, what do you feel like? Who are your top 5? These ones were the best for me. These ones were.
Working with people it will differ. It's either you're talking about the engineering, the producer, the artist.
Overall.
You want me to?
I'm saying overall. Any. The ones that give me 5.
Joe Sherman, I'll give you number 1. I've got your Ives Mavasa number 2. I've got your guy,
Yeah.
I've got his younger brother, Mafemane, Tembachgom. And then you want the ladies as well.
Oh, you're top 5. I like a short political or not being feminist.
Let's matlala, yes.
So you're saying Joe Shermani, Mabasa, Madida, in Ishkombe, Nasisness. So for me, one of the 5 is someone which I believe you have history that you'll never forget with. And for sure, I thought when you're going, I'm not going to say, well, you know what I'm talking about. No, I'm just saying who you have made history with. Because is associated with your career for the rest of your life.
I'll say events because I've been with him almost.
He knows I'm talking about your man.
No.
I am
Oh, I'm giving you're asking me. Why are you giving an answer?
I like what the mind is.
Remember one thing. If I'm stuck in the studio, the person that I'll call is events. Doesn't matter how.
But question.
What have I done with Prajo or whoever?
But my question is.
Yes.
My question is. I said, there's always that someone.
Yes.
Who you made history with.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we're not talking about history. We're not talking about history which. History. I'm with
you right there. Okay.
But then kuna matemula mama it's either iwaka baloi, iwaka man wa mabona. So can I
give an answer before you go far? Because you're gonna waste time. It's Ives Mava, so let's stop it there. That's it, done.
Exactly.
You are interviewing me again.
Yeah.
So I must give an answer.
Yeah.
That you want. Done. Let's continue.
No, for me, I was I'm thinking it's obvious.
It's fine. I understand what you think. What you have in mind. Okay, come. Who's that? Joe Sherman, because of Vandawu.
Limpopo poison.
That's fine.
Let's just say.
But remember, after Vandawu, there's what I've done.
No, I'm saying the most influential project that you did yourself, that you've involved yourself as a musician.
So you know what? Just say who are the big guys? It's Joe Sherman.
No, I'm not saying the big guys.
In the game, you've got the big boys.
Yeah.
Our big boys is Prajo, and I respect him a lot.
No belong with me. You have to come on.
It's a big boy. You know when you say you gotta chill with the big boys, those are the guys you're talking about. He's a big boy. And again,
but then who is the big guy who you meet?
you never said big guy.
Now
Now we're talking is Brajo. Let's stop it there. Brajo, and I think you sleep because I've given that answer. Brajo,
I'm giving you a scenario which I think Lewan so far in this interview we have not yet spoken about your new album.
Yes, we're going.
We're going there.
Hopefully.
So
because I don't know your mind.
No,
you might close it now.
No. This interview.
Yeah, Manyangatsi, so Manyangatsi anytime. It's okay.
So this
I'm ready for that.
So this is the last question based on your gene.
Okay.
Spara. The first time I got to know you, you were part of that group. Okay. You know, you're part of Kengele, I'm the bar. So
I just left. I still do have some shit.
Yeah, so Mina like the first time besides Jabu and some music on me. The first time I got to know you was that time.
Okay.
And surely 90% Jala Banga, no Kulangusin is only and we hate you.
No. Because of your age. Because you're very young.
Yeah, because of my age.
I've been in the game from 1993. Way back before your parents thought you'd be on this end. Thank you for having you. Anyway.
Now he's manipulating the interview. But
no, I'm not.
You're not deriving
I'm saying to you.
I still have my question.
Okay, cool.
Let me continue with my question.
Okay. Most
of us age group, we know you from that group.
Yes, yeah.
So you just you're part of Vangoni.
Okay.
That was Limpopo.
Yes.
Not to mention Gengele behind the scene. We don't care about them. I personally don't care. Because we don't concentrate on the people who are making things happen. The people who are behind the music. So
people in front, you don't care about the one behind.
I don't give a fuck.
Those are the ones that make things happen. You must really take care of them seriously.
Yeah, next. So I'm continuing with my question.
I'll answer you, don't worry.
And so that's quite so.
I'm here for you.
Quite so you want to see good camera. So much but I know it's Maranao Pasito now.
Yeah.
So you're part of Vandawu, you were there, you were part of the performances, you were part of the photos, you were part of everything.
Part of production,
everything.
Yeah.
But there was a moment where back to Limpopo. So like that's my much back to Limpopo. You were no more to be found. Marhoya Chauke and so my assumption you couldn't.
No, I was making money somewhere. In business. There's so many businesses that you. The fact that I was not there does not mean I was vanished. So I was making money somewhere.
So are you saying those who continued working for Limpopo and they were not making money anyway?
They were more into FM. There's a difference between making money and being famous. Where
so
I was making money.
My question is
I was doing other productions.
Are you saying Bene Prince na Joe during that time?
Mm-hmm.
They were not making money somewhere else.
I've never seen their money, so I cannot comment on that. Honestly, no one ever came to me and said, Chauke, I've made 2 million, I've made 1 million, or here's my account, I've got 200,000 today. I can't comment, I don't know. How do you value money? We want to
network.
So
I check your property.
If you can tell me of their net worth, it means Limpopo Poison made money for them, which is good. We appreciate that.
So are you saying because music namali ama continue on the Poison?
Andre kuchela ngamali kumante mayini.
Nah, I
Kimberly.
I tell one,
yeah.
I tell one. So, the album, I'm
14.
Music,
2006, I recorded my first album.
So,
well, you might find that there are 2 years of break which I did not record because I had to do Vandawu. There was a time when I concentrated much on Swibi Ndhuma. So that 2 years, I did not have my own album. I was more into the groups. So I might be 16 years in the game, but you find that I've got 14 albums. So the other 2, these 2 years, is when I put all my effort. Swibi Ndhuma, and the other period was for Vandawu.
So in understanding, you did an album. Vandawu, I assume the album, yeah,
2010, 2011, somewhere there, way back. I can't remember. Okay, come.
Album, some sort of gospel, yeah, balance. And if the Nishwaka right now, it gospel level as assume.
Okay.
Assume on Vandawu gospel level as.
And if you contact
some gone.
Not mainly, it was the project where we needed to introduce the group, because you hardly find that in our genre. So we couldn't come with a better name, and we thought of,
I'm not talking about the name.
Vangoni,
I know the album. I can even tell you my favorite track from the album is song number 8.
I can't remember which was. Yes,
track number 1. So I feel like the whole album, it sounds like, look, if the album, he sound just song. If can imbelela gospel in quiet, so look at the gospel. So the project, I got a project, yeah.
You know what? I wouldn't say no. Let me say yes, for the sake of this audience.
I'm slow because my story got Muslim. Tell me, I was singa.
Yeah, so that dinner say, but the whole idea of Margo, we needed the name that will catch.
Let me tell you what happened. You are not the leader. The leader was Josh Ramani, and they drove you into doing album. That's why you don't want to accept. Because he was your leader. I don't know. I'm now listen to me.
Okay.
And this is my conclusion on this one.
Okay.
And I've talked why you would in there because it's a build-up question for what I'm gonna say next.
Okay.
So
for the sake of you.
Yeah, for the sake of me, of my audience, Josh Ramani was your leader. He's the one who drove you to doing that, because I know my talking anchor. He drove you into doing that. Album So in continuing with my questioning there, I got to build up ku album Ndhuma ka Chauke. Liafish, naitiva me. Sungenda la banga bone benge setiwa o moyo te bona se lo kusayete. Mbalabla ngove ba ka Chauke. Are you doing an album ba ka Chauke? So moso ntlaren and bar. That question I was building up for this.
Okay.
You sem Romela. Mchuina ndani kona namlava kona. Album
okay. It was we know. There's nothing wrong with the partner with the promoter.
Am I saying your album is based on
if you don't know where you come from, you don't know what you're going to do. So singing about Marhoya Chauke, so not the promoter, the promoter.
So
some will say Mama Mozambique, some will say Mama Zimbabwe, we don't care. The first guy is from Mozambique.
So my questioning is your album, because me now I've heard most of the songs.
Yes.
So I think I got some right long to put Chauke. So my questioning is your album mainly based on Baka Chauke?
I'm basing it Baka Chauke. Baka Chauke the Mr. Song. Onga or Baloi, go back, go away Chauke. Onga or Malek, Majola, go back. One of your roots is Chauke. So that's why ni iko Baka Chauke. Nothing is ta Vatsonga na vuhosikulu I bya hina u fanele ku nga ku tengiwa
va ka mi nga nge swi tsakeli
nga si tenga
ta kwata u ya chava you go so endla yini
what person tama ikwatile so ani wari ngopfu yo but what I'm saying loko a ku ri ku va ka Chauke hina vurhangeri it's a pity mini le ka endle Xitsongo if andri ka endle ku le va ka Chauke ba manta ku le vo school va ka Chauke na ta vena so
so
hina hi matale but
na ngomela ku mputsa
ku ya hi vote bya hina
nchomi munhu open minded
ya mobanya
ne ma sto ku swa endla ku mntwana ku Chauke ku va Chauke mo ku ka timitsu ta n'wina ku na mkhegulu yin'we nga fika yi bisa ka mole ke tsala nga tsala ku kumbe na nga tsala n'wina so ka n'wina como ka Chauke mbolavula ngati kumbe leswi n'wi mi tiva ku swona
mina la ngati
mi sure
100% sure what va ku mina
no my job tell me ku not let's say from 10 years 10 generations back
I hear you
from this one
I hear you
loko amphazamiseka ka munhu ka n'wina va ku lo wala nga ri wa kona
yeleyo ani tengi ne tiva mu wa mphakati ne I va Chauke mabeko wa mphakati ye nga tswala mhana mina I n'wa Chauke a swona ivi hita ku tswariwa mhana mina I n'wa Chauke hita ka ba mina ka ha ri Chauke hita ka kokwansimati ka ha ri Chauke so there is no way somewhere somehow ni nga va ni phazamisekile na ha ri Chauke
na mi nga rili hey ni vona madida xikaxiku hi ku xa switoko swi nge endleki the last 10 generations un'wana nga hembeliwangi na mina my point was like kwalo a swi tiva ku original xivongo xi huma kwihi ni nga hambi tihosi to ta hi nga yilwa ni nga vulavula na vona even in court or anyway yeleyo ya ku munhu n'wana n'wanyana wo xoko laha nga kona
a hi khesi sweswi ku mini Chauke hi tshika swa 10 years ago
so let's get into your album what inspired you to do an album loko yi cina xi nga mi pfuxa nampundzu siku leri mi nga decide ku la ku endla album a mi ri na yini enhlokweni I cini ku xi nga kumbe xa mi twa papalaza mi ku na mi borekini mo ni fone madida hi endla album
u vulavula hi 2022 or u vulavula hi 2016
I'm speaking about this album the recent one vulavula hi leyi vanhu va fanele va yingisela
my brother let me be honest with you this is business I'm doing this album to make money at the same time I'm promoting my culture I'm developing my language kursaram my song there are 3 things involved if untwili ungantwanga rentella number 1 business I want money people must buy the album number 2 kursaram my song number 3 ihlayisa ndhavuko wa hina song and intirho wa hosinkulu ku hlayisa ndhavuko hi ku hi Matsonga Machangana a hi se va na hosinkulu in the meantime ri hi va Chauke hi fa hi hlayisa ndhavuko
ncho va tala va usual watch my interview ncho va tivutisa ku why the man a nga ngomelo ku humanyana ka music
that's okay
no the album they're gonna stream it that there's a video that was shooting today ko tala lava nga ta va vona video leswi loko the live leti ya vo tala va ta va ti vonile so I kind of feel like the chances ya ku vanhu va va twa nga ku I'm just giving them a skeleton I'm not giving them the flesh Marhoya if you care to answer who are you man who are you would you describe yourself as if you're in a club mnakufasa spa sorry excuse if mnakufasa no not from perception nakujola spa na denjanganya
you still young
just nala kona marafu bikini parties and stuff like that unfiltered that's I'm still young I still want to have fun I still want to have money I still want to go yo I can't even explain it. So let's say I'm giving you a scenario. I'm not saying
you must also put a disclaimer.
It's a disclaimer. I'm saying let's say you are in a space where you
put a disclaimer.
But you are in a space where you have to brag for you to be noticed. You know, you're in a space where you have to brag. You're in Conca. People must know who Marhoya
and I
is.
fit there, you know.
Yeah.
You know that.
So who's Marhoya personally? You must brag to the market.
Well, you breaking. That's not for me.
This is my. I'm the interview.
You know, Manyangatsi, leshimene braga ka isho. Enda kwa meta wa Butsonga.
No, can you? Don't play with us. So says if Kataka and Nakari, Naki Mutsonga, Kina Chau.
No, I'm coming. Listen to me.
Cherry Maumi from Mugui, Nichau came in.
No, I'm braga Tangatara, nothing else.
Yeah, why that question is funny.
No, but remember, some questions. Tola we tangata never collapse on say Vandawu.
I'm stuck.
No, me le no se brego.
Mon Chavi
Many bam music one watsaka.
No, I'm going to make scenario go party.
Yes.
You have to introduce yourself. You have to introduce yourself. If I'm going to man, Mterawi. Mina hindu we mina sad mina sati mina vana what you
so I must tell them kahle men Marhoya Chauke no makafikalo days nasati na vana vambirhi na tin'wana vanharhu
so mi dyondze xikolo
ya ndyondzile vafana
kumbe xa mujoyine ANC mana 12 years chances are van'wana va humeleli va joyine ANC.
Yeah, no, we used to sing those songs. Well, we used to sing those songs. So well, I'm part of the movement from the young age.
Yeah, I'm part of the movement.
Yeah, from the young age.
I'm part of the movement.
Yeah, that's for you, the young ones. I mean, AFF was born yesterday, and obviously, I was already maybe above the youth age.
Maybe.
You must remember your whoever. They're all younger than me.
Hi, man, guess what?
Yeah.
So do you feel like at your age, you're speaking about your age?
I'm legend 45.
Yeah.
Be specific, I'm 45 years old.
You're 45 years
old.
Yeah,
I'm a long young man.
My time is with something like gang.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't you feel like you're imposing yourself on us? Listen to me, Marhoya. I've been doing this shit for 16 years. I'm old.
Oh, man.
Give me a chance.
It's not even only 16 years. 16 years is when I started my own album. From 1993, I was in the game. When I was 13 years, I was busy playing music.
13 years long, what are you doing?
No. I'm saying to you, in 1993, Andrew Tlangi. But
you're saying you're 13 years old.
It's when
you're saying you're 13 years old now. You're saying you're 45.
Listen to me. Not to clarify. In 1990, when I was 13 years. Then come 1991-92, that's when we're becoming the professionals, where you meet the likes of the late Majanguza, your Sia Chauke. You know Sia Chauke? I want to sing Sia Chauke. Don't be mistaken.
No, it was all. No. It's
Sia Chauke. Wow, like I'm Titita. Kalega Rabo Jabomba, Ronald Chauke. Sia Chauke. Here, Muno, and Africa, and come back with him for what Langa Katara, one of those one. Is she international tuning? So tune was so. Even Lava Banga opportunity go about Tamanaba Jabomba from Gaza. Oh, come Jabomba Malagamina.
From Leo Cushion. Jabombo, a young adolescent of Ram Qatar.
Jabu, and Yakanate, supposable first.
Don't mind submissions and a sorry to go. I shall logo and a Qatar logo. Who shall attack and Nicorna Manado like a to go have the Chama Chimba. You are a Google of an yes, yeah. So, what I'm saying, Ningaba Jabomba, Aman don't sing directly. Ningabanga Katlego Kubani Maxuna, but we'll see Guavarna
opportunity ya ku va ri vatukulu va ka Hasani a va kota ku hlangana na vajaha bomba va dyondza na tikatara and then he transferred that skill to me hi va 1992
ya hanya njabo
ni sure ku ya hanya nqambi ke sitwili ya
yo me se semble ngora corona katara ya kona ne ai biso so ifato ngwane katara ko ya tonga nyana
iba lava nga kula iba langutile a hi tiva ku loko u nga va le xinyori ka swibisa tikatara a ku ri vajaha bomba va majanguza vo Hamba.
So Swan, Singapore.
Yeah.
Surely we've been doing it for more than 20 minutes. Let's talk about your project.
Yeah.
What is it? Because no, I mean, nah, like because I believe we've done it for more than 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So you see, let's know what
well, byela vanhu tanihi na ri nqambi na ri gengwini ni nga va ni ri unkulu hi ku tswariwa na malembe mara business swi nga khataleki ku u hanya kwini na vamani swi nga kona ku album ya huma hi 25 ta March and kombela ku vanhu va subscribe ka YouTube ya mina Marhoya Chauke music wa mina u ta va kumeka online
leswi swi endlaka swa vona ngo no fika nghena ka me ku xasa mxako mbedo n'we
nxako mbedo wa mina anlapha manhembe vanhu swa mbedo ku xava vasati
swambalana ifika nghena ka Joshua Doll leyi nga xa mbedo ifike ku na home mbedo ko yelerisa so na channel na mina subscribe
phela hi Manyangatsi va vane va swi tiva ku ri masiku lama music it's more of streaming so ni nge va rhumi ku ya streama music wa mina ka we Manyangatsi va fane va streama music wa mina kwini
ni nga vula
ka Marhoya Chauke
nga vula muswona
hi Manyangatsi u teka mina a wa hala ku ni vutisa nchumu ni byela vanhu ku ku laveka yini Marhoya Chauke is a brand leyi fanele ku va yi xaviwa hi swona ku fanele ku xava music wa Marhoya Chauke u nga kona ka online that's why ku vanhu va
kona online a kulaka
u kona online ku ri hi zama ku hlanganisa Xilungu na Xitsonga
kayula on
Manyangatsi I think Can I finish? You gave me the platform. Can I finish?
I'm giving.
You have ever been disturbing me. And I have Marhoya Chauke, my subscriber, YouTube Marhoya Chauke. The video it uploaded 2022. The video took on from Manyangatsi 2015, 2016, 17. Even the ones that I started with 2006 took on YouTube. So if I also subscribe, I also wanna like today the opportunity, go and subscribe to Marhoya Chauke. You can follow me on Facebook, it's Marhoya Chauke, my Instagram is Marhoya Chauke, Twitter is Marhoya Chauke. You can talk to me anywhere, anyhow. Ni simple and open. And ni munhu luya wa rude, antongele vana na vana chumu na vamzana. Na vandri na swa mina ntomphaka vana va bava mara eku album ya 25.
ngaba bobaise mo ahe wa tsongo ka yena ni ngisele mo ahe wa tsongo ka yena Manyangatsi to komisa can school la motile ngara lo subscribe
Yeah.
chule
Or no go sunzo ke?
ahe wa tsongo ka yena
Oh, look,
Manyangatsi to komisa
can share sub
mo ahe Marhoya Chauke
okay. I mina ni Marhoya Chauke na kumeka ka YouTube akuna swo tala. Marhoya Chauke just go Marhoya Chauke on go. That's why you everywhere ka social media. It's Marhoya Chauke. Hakuna shimoni stories. Either start with @Marhoya Chauke. Mara singa kone Marhoya Chauke. Even fan club Marhoya Chauke ka my page. People can follow me there as well. Tina varatala veka vanhu va tala ta kota ku burisana masiku hinkwawo. Okay.
I'm a student but
ka Facebook munhu wa kota ku inboxa munhu nambara wa nyika vanhu nambara va yi abuse ka rin'wana mara loko munhu a ri serious ka Facebook ya mina wa yi kuma nambara ya mina you can ask me for my number I give it to you if you want to chat with me at the WhatsApp but for now whatever that they want Manyangatsi the dokomisa anga va pfuna
zikomisa loko ro subscribe ai a va ku tshika xap